A very good morning, children. This is Shrivalsa speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter Simple Equation, chapter 4. We have already completed exercise 4.1. In my previous videos, I have discussed about all the questions, all the similar questions of exercise 4.1. And in this video, we are going to discuss about exercise 4.2. Children, before I start this exercise, I must say this exercise is one of the most important exercise of this chapter. Such questions are very useful for class 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These questions will be needed. This kind of concepts will be needed throughout our life. So I really want you to understand these questions very nicely. Question number 1. What is question number 1, children? Give the first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. We are given an equation, children, x minus 1 equal to 0. So our first job is to observe this equation very carefully first. In the left hand side of equal to sign, we have x minus 1. And in the right hand side, we have 0. So children, this left hand side contains variable as well as a numeric value. Variable is x and numeric is minus 1. And in the right hand side is only numeric value. So children, what will be the first step to remove this numerical value from the variable, as the variable is attached with the numerical value because it's x minus 1. So numeric value is in operation with the variable. So I need to separate this numeric number from the variable. So what we will do, children? First we will write the variable x in the left hand side. We will put a sign, equal to sign, and right hand side we had 0. We will write accordingly. This minus 1 will be transposed to the right hand side. Minus 1 will be transposed to the right hand side. As it contains, as it is minus 1, the moment it will be transposed to the right hand side, it will be plus 1. So my final answer will be x is equal to 0 plus 1 matlab 1. So this is only the first step. This is only the first step to remove the numeric value from the variable. So x is equal to 0 plus 1. Am I understandable, children? I believe yes. Let us try with the next number 2. We will just write the first step and we will solve it. Number B is about x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, children. So what we are supposed to do? We will just write x is equal to minus 1 will be transposed to the right hand side. As we all know that whenever we transpose any number from any side to other side, symbol or operation changes. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. So as it is plus 1 will turn into minus 1. So it will become 0 minus 1. This minus 1 I'm obtaining from the left hand side plus 1. It is coming from left hand side. It will turn into minus 1. So what I'll write, children? X is equal to 0 minus 1, resulting minus 1 only. It is very easy, children. So this is only our first step. This is only our first step to remove the numeric value from the variable. Let us try the next one. Number C is about x minus 1 is equal to 5. So children, similar process to be used over here. X is equal to 5. Minus 1 will be transposed. It will become plus 1. It will become plus 1. So I'll get x is equal to 5 plus 1, 6. So I got the answer of this equation as well as the first step has been written. So children, I believe it's clear to everybody. Let me try a bit harder. That is question number G. Number G is about let me copy the question. Y plus 4 is equal to 4. Need not to be worried. seeing the equation, just simply keep y in the left hand side, right, equal to 4 over here, plus 4 will be transposed to the right hand side, that's going to be minus 4. So here it will be y is equal to 4 minus 4 is resulting 0. So what I got over here, the value of y is equal to 0. 4 minus 4 will be 0. Number h is pretty similar to this question. Let us try out number h as well. So it is going to be y plus 4 is equal to minus 4. So y is equal to minus 4 plus 4 will be transposed to the right hand side. That would become minus 4. So y is equal to 4 minus 4 will be resulting minus 8. So this is what the answer is all about. So children, let us start question number 2, which is a very interesting question. Let us solve one sum from number 2. The first step we will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Children, again the same thing. 3L is equal to 42. Children, the very first thing that we need to identify, what is the relation between the variable and the number. The variable is L and the number is 3, and they are having they're sharing no symbol with each other, means they are in multiplication. As there is no sign in between, 3 and L means they're multiplied to each other. So I'll just keep L over here. I'll write 42 in the right hand side. 3 will be transposed from left hand side to the right hand side, and that's going to be divided by 3. Okay, so 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, means the value of L is just 14. So children, this is how we need to solve this kind of questions. In the next video, we will discuss about the all remaining questions of question number 2. Till then, bye bye, take care. If there are doubts and confusions, please watch this video again. Still having doubts, please feel free to speak to me. Till then, bye bye, take care. Thank you so much, everybody.